For this project, you will need these 4 things: salt, a bottle of glue, some kind of piece of paper, and either watercolors or like food coloring or some kind of paint. Okay, so this is step 1. For step 1, you're going to need a piece of paper, and this is just a scrap paper I found, and it's got a little triangle cut out of it, but you can really find any paper that you have. And you're also going to need some glue. And what you're going to do with the glue is just draw some lines on here. If you want to make letters, you can make your name, or you can just do shapes or whatever you'd like. So I'm going to just do some shapes. So I'll take here and put some glue on there. In a line. Do another line. Maybe do some curvy lines. Maybe do. And make a big A for Mr. Archibald. Okay, and then what you're going to do, while that's still wet, you want to take some salt. Now I have salt like this, but if you have a salt shaker, that will work too. And you just kind of dump the salt on there so that it gets stuck on those things, where the glue is. You might have to pick it up and shake it around a little bit. Okay, and then wipe it into your hand. And put some more on there until the glue gets covered up with the salt. You may need some help with that. Move it around like that so that the glue gets completely covered. And then clean up. Make sure you clean up. Do a good job cleaning up. And now you gotta just let that dry. So let it sit there. Probably take 4 or 5 hours. So we'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so now that that's dried, this is what you do next. So you take your paint, or this is watercolor paint, or if you have food coloring, that will work. Or you can even kind of dip a marker in water and tip that to it, and that will work. So what you do is take some paint, choose a little red here, mix it up. Make sure it's kind of, you need it a little bit wet, and then you just kind of tap your brush on there. And it'll soak up into that salt. Different color. Should wash your brush out good. Get it watery. Once it gets watery, tap it. We got it. I'll finish that and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is a close-up of it, and you'll see when I press the paint it kind of spreads out, so you don't have to see how it goes around the brush like that. It goes out by itself. When you're painting like this, the paint goes out by itself. You don't have to paint, you don't have to like remove your brush like this. It will do it for you. Just dip it on there. There's a little blue. Oh, the piece fell off. That's okay. See? Alright, here I am. I am done. I've painted all my lines. I've used different colors. And I just had to press it, and the salt, and that's stuck to the glue, that kind of just soaks up the paint that's in there.